It's an exciting time at the Mews Forest. I am getting this area excavated, scraped if you will, and holes dug to put in our cement piers for the Sugar Shack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000. And I'm having all of these logs that are really dangerous for my kids, getting them cut up into smaller chunks so no one gets hurt on them. And all of this is going to be done tomorrow. A lot of surveying I had to do, a lot of measuring to get the exact location where I'm going to put this. And I have some things staked out, but the challenge has been, where do you put the stakes if I'm going to get this whole area cleared out and leveled? So I had to go off of the site with some stakes and markings, marked not precisely, but more or less about where I want everything to go. And then once everything is level, I'll get it all centered to be exactly where it needs to go. And this project here at the Mews Forest is gonna be awesome. And Ruby agrees. Right, Rubes? Yeah, you agree. Good girl.